Hello and welcome to our today's session. We are going to be looking at an overview of the 7 relations that we shall be creating in the next several videos. Having created the human resource database, inside it we are supposed to have 7 relations. The 7 relations are as follows. We have jobs, employees, dependents, departments, location, countries, regions. When you are provided with such arrangement of a set of relations, it's important to specify which relations you need to begin with. You must take care of the primary keys as well as the foreign keys so that you are able to incorporate the referential integrity. So in this particular case, you can either start with a job ID. It doesn't need a foreign key, or you can begin with the regions table. So regions table, region ID is the primary key. In countries, country ID is the primary key. Region ID is the foreign key because it relates to this region ID. Between countries and location, you can see location ID is the primary key, but the country ID is a foreign key referencing this country ID. There's a relationship between locations and department. Department ID here is a primary key, but location ID is a foreign key which references the location ID in the locations table. Department and employees has employee ID as a primary key, but the department ID is a foreign key which references the department ID in the departments table. Within the employees, we have the manager ID, which is that relates to this employee ID. We are looking at a scenario where among the employees, there is one of them who is in charge of the rest of the employees. Then we have dependents and employees. And in this particular case, employee ID is the primary key here. Dependent ID is the primary key in the dependents table. Employee ID is a foreign key in the dependents table. Then between jobs and employees, job ID is a primary key. And you can see the job ID equally being a foreign key in this particular table. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.